Hi, I'm Kylene Stemmons of Georggin Law, and I'm here with Eric Phillips, our senior case analyst.
Hi.
Eric, I think it's really important that people understand they're not alone when they're going through a short sale or foreclosure, and it's not that uncommon. Can you talk a little bit about your own personal experience in that realm?
Sure. Fortunately, unfortunately, depending on what side of the scale you're on in today's world, as I personally experienced this in '06, I did the traditional. I tried to follow the traditional thoughts that we were all experiencing at the time. Should I do a loan mod? Well, went ahead and I did the loan modification. I defaulted my loan. It completely destroyed my credit. The bank did adjust my interest rate, but the problem I had with that was I was still acknowledging the high balance, and my equity and my value was dropping like crazy. So then I decided, well, now I'm going to do the short sale. So as the man, I would come home and I would say to my wife, and I'd say, well, look, great, we didn't have to make a payment this month, and I'm trying to high five her because I'm excited, and she's sitting in the corner holding all of our baby pictures and crying because we're going to lose our home. We had made, we signed a contract, we agreed to make these payments, and it just simply wasn't working. So we had to make a conscious decision about what we were going to do. And the only decision that we could make was we were going to have to leave this house and find something else, smaller, more affordable, something that could work with our new adjusted income, considering the income loss that we both had experienced because my wife was in real estate. Well, as a result of that, she didn't want to move forward with the idea, and I did. And unfortunately, after 27 years of marriage, it split my family up. And so I'm very aware emotionally of the damage that this does. I have 4 children at home. We had to relocate our children. We had to relocate our home. And so it's what I identify as a collateral damage. It isn't just the fact that we're looking at these transactions. We're looking at families being displaced. We're looking at families breaking up. We're looking at suicides. We're looking at people, unfortunately, who are so distressed that their only way out is to take themselves out or to kill their family. I mean, we have that here in San Diego, and I'm not trying to put a negative spin to this. This is just the reality. So what we have to be able to do is to understand what's happening, understand these options, and again, because I personally went through it, I want to be able to consult with as many people that I can and explain what the options are. So as a result of that, there's so much misinformation. You ask 10 different people what a short sale is, you're going to get 10 different answers. So I am not charging for my consultations. I want to encourage as many people as I possibly can, contact our office, get a hold of you, get a hold of myself, and let's discuss the options. Okay, and try to design some kind of a program and a plan that fits everybody's needs, with the hope being keeping families intact. Hopefully we can come up with the right program so that even though you may be losing your primary, the possibility is we can still move you into another property, a like property, that's maybe 50% of what you were paying before. And which to me is just a wonderful ultimate conclusion that we'd like to come to for these clients. So again, we don't want to charge for consultations. We want to encourage everybody, contact our office, get on the phone with me, get on the phone with you. Let's understand what the situation is and try to diagram the best possible resolution for that client.
Exactly.
Okay? That's what I like.